What's up, guys? In today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different. See all this mulch right here? It's this lady's garden that we gotta fix. It's all mulch. We have to rip out all the mulch, and then it's all gonna be stone, kind of like this. It's all gonna be stone all the way up through there, and then the whole place is gonna be stone because the mulch is apparently attracts bugs here. It's kind of weird, but whatever. And then we're gonna be replacing it with like little rock, stone stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get to ripping this stuff out and catch you guys on time lapses. Gosh, dang it! Raining now. This is not good.